Measurement of an angles may be done in two types. One is the degree measure, another one is radian measure. Now we come across a radian measure. What do you mean by radian? Radian is nothing but an angle inside the circle where the arc length is equal to the radius of the circle. So when you are converting radian into degree, you have to multiply 180 by pi to the given value. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is Shruti lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysore. So in today's session, I'm introducing to the very interesting topic of trigonometry. Let us study trigonometry in details. So before going to the actual trigonometry, let us see how we will measure an angle in terms of degree and radians. So in today's session, I'll be discussing about the measurement of angles using degree and radian measure. Also, we will study the relationship between the degree and radian measurement. Now, what do you mean by angle? So, an angle is nothing but a rotation of a given ray about its initial point. Suppose, let me take a ray. Let me take it as AB. So, this is your initial point and this is a ray AB. If you rotate this AB in anti-clockwise, so then the new ray formed will create an angle here. So this is called angle. So an angle means amount of rotation of a ray in anti-clockwise or clockwise. So this can be done in this way also. So if you rotate in clockwise, this is your angle created by the ray. So let me take this as AC. So the amount of rotation of a ray is nothing but your angle. We have studied many different types of angles. So let us see now. You can see here, if this is your initial ray, then when you rotate the initial ray, it will reach, after some rotation, it will reach a particular direction and it creates an angle. So this is your vertex and this side is called terminal side and this is an initial side. Here I have represented a positive angle. Positive angle means the amount of rotation of this ray in anti-clockwise direction. Then we take angle as positive. And here you can see this is your vertex and this is your initial side. After some rotation and you're taking in clockwise direction, the ray reaches here. So therefore this is your terminal side and this amount of rotation is nothing but your angle. But here we say it is negative angle. So when the angle or the amount of rotation is in clockwise direction, we take angle as negative, and whether it is in anti-clockwise direction, we say the angle as positive angle. And hence, the original position of a ray or the original ray is called as initial side, and after some amount of rotation, the final position of a ray is called as terminal side of a angle. And wherever the initial side and the terminal side meets, the point is called as vertex. So here we can say O is the vertex of the given angle and the point of rotation, that is called as vertex. And about the direction, as I said, if it is anti-clockwise, the angle is positive. If it is clockwise, the angle is taken as negative angle. Now coming to how we will measure an angle. To measure an angle, we have two types. One is degree measure, another one is radian measure. Let us see what is degree measure. A degree measure means if a rotation from the initial side to the terminal side is 1 by 360 of a revolution, then angle is said to be 1 degree. Why we are taking 1 by 360? Because for a circle, the complete angle measurement of a circle, that is the angle of a circle, is 360. Suppose you take a ray, let me take this as ray OA inside the circle. If after certain amount of rotation in clockwise or anti-clockwise, it creates an angle. Let me take it as this OB. So OA is your initial side and OB is your terminal side, and the point O is making certain amount of rotation. So this amount of angle that is 1 over, suppose this is for 1 degree, we call it as 1 over 360, amount of rotation. Measuring angles. Measurement of an angles may be done in two types. One is the degree measure, another one is radian measure. What do you mean by degree measure? So you have learnt in your secondary classes how to measure an angle using protractor. So the same thing here we are going to first see. Let us see what is 1 degree. We know that a circle or the angle of a circle is complete, that is 360, which is a complete angle. A complete angle, the measurement of complete angle is 360. Therefore, the measurement of an angle of a circle is 360 degree. So, the amount of revolution of a ray from initial side to terminal side over 360th gives a certain degree. If it is for 1 degree, suppose 1 degree we take, let me take this as 1 degree, then 1 degree of angle is nothing but 1 over 360th of revolution. That is how we will measure an angle in degree. And 1 degree is nothing but 60 minutes and 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds. How we will take a measurement of 1 minute? It is nothing but 1 by 60th of a degree. So if you want 1 minute, it is nothing but 1 by 60th of a degree. And when we convert it into seconds, so 1 degree means 60 minutes and 1 minute means 60 seconds. So if you want 1 second, then it is nothing but 1/60th of a minute. So we can write 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Next, we come across a different types of angle in terms of rotation. Here you can see this is a complete angle, 360 degree in anti-clockwise. So therefore it is positive. Therefore it is positive angle and the measurement of an angle is 360, which is complete angle. Now this is your straight angle of 180 degree in anti-clockwise direction. So the angle is positive. This is a reflex angle 270 degree in positive direction, and here also it is 420. After one complete revolution, 360 degree. So plus 60 degree gives you 420 degree. So the amount of rotation of 420 degree in anti-clockwise direction. So this you can see, your ray is this. When you take in clockwise direction, you got an angle of 30 degree, but since the amount of rotation is in clockwise direction, we take it as minus 30 degree. Similarly, the amount of rotation in clockwise direction for complete angle is minus 360. After minus 360, we are moving the ray again 60 degree extra. So total it is minus 420. Now we come across a radian measure. What do you mean by radian? Radian is nothing but an angle inside the circle where the arc length is equal to the radius of the circle. So a radian is an angle inside the circle or inside the sector, you can say, inside the sector formed between two radius where the radius is equal to arc length. If you have a circle and you have a sector formed between two radius, then radian measurement of an angle is nothing but or is obtained whenever you have the same radius and the same arc length. It is an angle formed between two radius where the radius and the arc length is same. Now what do you mean by 1 radian? 1 radian means you should take a unit circle. Unit circle means having 1 as a measurement. It may be 1 centimeter or 1 meter. So unit circle where the radius is equal to its arc length. You can see here the arc length L is also 1, radius R is also 1. Then the angle here we can call it as 1 radian. We will represent it using C. So degree we will represent using this 1 degree. So 1 radian is represented using 1 C. So 1 radian is nothing but it is the angle subtended inside the circle in a sector, the radius of a circle or unit radius and unit arc length. So that's why a radian is an angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. So 1 radian E is an angle subtended inside the circle where it has an arc length of 1 unit and radius of 1 unit. Then we call it as 1 radian. So therefore, 1 radian means a angle subtended inside the circle of 1 radius with 1 unit of arc length. Then we have 360 degree, that is complete revolution. So therefore, 1 revolution is nothing but 2 pi radian. 1 revolution is nothing but 2 pi radian. Or 2 pi, that is complete angle of a circle, 2 pi is nothing but your 360 degree. So this is in terms of degree measurement, this is in terms of radian measurement. So 360 degree means 2 pi radians. Now let us study the relationship between the radian and degree measurement. So we know that a complete circle, that is subtends an angle of 360 degree, and I said that is 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Then what is the angle of a semicircle? Semicircle means half of the circle whose degree will be 180 degree. You can take your protractor as an example. So the angle inside the protractor is from 0 to 180 degree. Therefore, the angle of a semicircle is 180 degree. If 2 pi is for 360, then it is pi radian for 180. So if you want 180 degree, then it is 360 degree divided by 2. What is your 360 in terms of radian? 2 pi. So 2 pi by 2, which is nothing but pi radian. And the value of pi can be taken as 22 by 7. Next, so using the approximate value of 22 by 7, 1 radian can be taken as 180 by pi. If you want the measurement in terms of degree, so you are converting the radian in terms of degree. So when you are converting radian in terms of degree, you have to multiply by 180 by pi. So 1 radian is nothing but 180 degree divided by pi. When you substitute the value of pi as 22 by 7, you will get 57 degree, 16 minutes, 21 seconds approximately. And similarly, if you want to convert a degree into radian, 1 degree is nothing but pi by 180 degree. Again substituting the value of pi as 22 by 7, and when you solve it, you will get it as 0.01746 radian. So 1 radian means 57 degree, 16 minutes, 21 seconds. 1 degree means 0.01746 radian. So when it comes for the calculation of converting radian into degree or degree to radian, so when you are converting radian into degree, you have to multiply 180 by pi to the given value, and when you are converting degree to radian, you have to multiply pi by 180 to the given value. So we will solve converting the problems from degree to radian and radian to degree. Let's see the question. Find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measure. So here the angle is given in terms of degree. We are supposed to convert it in the form of radian. So what is the clue? So when you are converting radian to degree and degree to radian, you have to multiply these value. Now for this question, I am converting degree to radian. So I have to multiply pi by 180 to the given value. So let me multiply now. But before multiplying, let me convert 20 minutes into degree also. Everything should be in degree. So we know that 1 degree is nothing but 60 minutes. So 20 minutes is nothing but 20 divided by 60 in terms of degree. So 40 degree 20 by 60. So when you convert this, you will get it as 40 into 1 by 3, and mixed fraction convert it into improper. So 43s or 340s are 120, 120 plus 1, 121 divided by 3. So now this is 121 divided by 3 in terms of degree. So you have converted 20 minutes into degree also. So when you have minutes divided by 60, then it will convert into degree. So it is 41 by 3 degree. Again convert it into an improper fraction. Now 121 by 3. Now this one, what I should do? I should multiply the value of pi by 180 to convert a degree into radian. So now converting degree to radian. So when you are converting degree to radian, you are going to multiply pi by 180. So when you multiply, you will get it as 121 pi divided by 540 radians. So you can substitute the value of pi as 22 by 7 and you can write it in the form of decimal also. Next question, we have minus 47 degree 30 minutes. So as I said, whenever the minutes or second is given, first convert them into degree. The same case, this I can write it as minus 47 degree 30 divided by 60 in terms of degree. That is nothing but minus 47 degree 1 by 2. That is when you multiply 47 into 2. So when you convert this mixed fraction, you will get it as 95 divided by 2 degree. Now we are going to convert again 95 by 2, but you have negative here. So minus 95 divided by 2 degree. Now let us convert minus 95 by 2 into pi by 180. Again it is minus 95 by pi divided by 360 degree. So you can cancel. So it is minus 19 pi divided by 72. Next question, we have 520 degree. So directly we can multiply pi by 180. So it is 520 into pi divided by 180. So 0, 0 get cancels. So when you divide it, you will get it as 26 pi divided by 9 radians. Next we have find the degree measures corresponding to the following radian measures. So we have conversion of radians into degree. So we have 6 radians. Now we are going to convert it into degree. So when you are converting any value into degree, suppose you have x degree, you are going to multiply pi by 180 to convert it into some x radians. Now if you have x in terms of radian, you are multiplying 180 by pi to convert this into degree. So now therefore here what I should multiply, we have 6 radians. So multiply it now, 6 into 180 divided by pi. Here you are supposed to substitute the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. So when you multiply this in the denominator, so it will become 7 by 22. So when you calculate this, 7560 divided by 22. Since you have a fraction here, first convert it into mixed fraction. So when you convert this into mixed fraction, you will get it as 343 14 divided by 22. That is, you can take 343 7 by 11. Now 7 by 11 can be taken as minutes. So this can be written in the form of 343 degree 7 by 11 degree, but you are converting the 7 by 11 into minutes now. So when you are converting into minutes, multiply by 60. Now again you will get a mixed fraction. So therefore it is 343 degree. Now 7 6 42. So 420 divided by 11 minutes. Now let us convert this into mixed fraction again. So this is 343 degree. When you divide this, so you will get this as 38 into 2 by 11. So you can convert this into minutes now. Now let us convert this into seconds. So multiply 60 again. So this will become seconds. Now let us see. So therefore this is 343 degree 38 minutes. You will get this as 10.9. So approximating this, we can write this as 343 degree 38 minutes 11 seconds. So you can see here we have 6 radians. When you are converting radians into degree, so you are multiplying 180 by pi. So you should substitute the value of pi when you are converted in terms of degree. So therefore it is 6 into 180 by pi. Pi value is 22 by 7. When you write this in the denominator, it is 7 by 22. So when you divide 7560 by 22, you will get a mixed fraction, that is 343, 14 by 22 degree. But 14 by 22 is a fraction which we can convert it into minutes. So when you divide, you will get it as 343, 7 by 11 degree. Convert 7 by 11 into minutes by multiplying 60. So when you multiply 60, you will get it as 420 by 11 minutes. Again, you will get a mixed fraction, 38 into 2 by 11. But 38 minutes you can separate. Multiply 60 to convert it into seconds. So it is 2 by 11 into 60. When you divide this, you will get a decimal of 10.9, approximate 10.9. So you can write in the form of 11 minutes. So the 6 radians in terms of degree is nothing but 343 degree, 38 minutes, 11 seconds. Next we have again 11 by 16 radians. Multiply it as 180 by pi, and the value of pi is 22 by 7, which is now 180 into 7 whole divided by 22. So this one you will get it as 13,860 divided by 242. You convert this in the form of mixed fraction. So when you convert this, you will get it as 5766 divided by 242. Again, so this is nothing but your 57,6 divided by 22. So when you divide this fraction, you will get it as 57,3 divided by 11. Now you have 11 by 16 radian in terms of 57,3 by 11 degree. So this you can write it as 57 degree. So this you can convert it into minute, 3 by 11 into minutes. So let me convert this now. Again 3, 6 are 18. So you have 57 degree plus 180 by 11 minutes. So first again let me convert this into mixed fraction again. So this you can write it as 57 degree plus 11, 16s are 4 remainder. Now again you can convert this into 57 degree, 16 minutes plus 4 by 11 into 60 seconds. So 57 degree, 16 minutes, and when you solve this, you will get this as 21.81 minutes. So approximate this. So when you approximate this, your answer is 57 degree, 16 minutes, 22 seconds. This is your answer. So whatever mixed fraction you have to convert into minutes, multiply 60. Again, you will get a mixed fraction, multiply with 60, convert this into second. Finally, you approximate it. So your answer for 11 by 16 radian is 57 degree, 16 minutes, 22 seconds. Next we have 7 pi by 6. Whenever radians is given in terms of pi, it is very easy to calculate. Just multiply 180 by pi. No need to substitute the value of pi because we have pi in both numerator and denominator. We can cancel. Next this is 6 ones are, 6 threes are, 6 zeros are, 7 threes are 21. So your answer is 210 degree. So in similar cases also you can do it. So whenever the degree or radian is given in terms of pi, it is easy to calculate. For example, let me take 300 degree. Let me convert it into radians. So when I am converting degree to radian, what I am supposed to do? 300 into pi by 180. Simply 0, 0, 6 threes are, 6 fives are. So your answer is 5 pi by 3 radian. Whenever the value is given, you just multiply with pi by 180, you can convert. And when you have a radians in terms of pi, it is easy to calculate again. Get pi, get cancel. You can take one more example. So let me take 2 pi by 3. I don't know the value of 2 pi by 3 in terms of degree. So to find this, multiply 180 by pi. Pi and pi get cancels. 3 ones are, 3 6 are, 3 zeros are. So 6 twos are 12. That is 120 degree. So this is how we calculate a radians in terms of degree, degree in terms of radians. Now here is the table given, the conversion of all standard angles, that is 30 degree, 45 degree, 60, 90, 180, 270 and 360 degree. I said 360 degree is nothing but one complete revolution. One complete circle have an angle of 360 degree. In terms of radian, we call it as 2 pi. And half of it is 180, that is pi. And half of 180 is 90 pi by 2. So 90 pi by 2 means half of 90 is 45. Again it is pi by 4. Now we have in between angles 30 degree. So substitute the value of pi by 6. When you want, let me see now, we have pi by 6 here. Let us see whether I'll get 30 degree or not. So what I'm supposed to calculate, 180 by pi, pi get cancelled, 6 1s are 6 3s are. So your answer is 30 degree. So therefore, the standard angles in terms of degree and radian is given in the table. 30 degree means pi by 6, 45 degree means pi by 4, 60 degree pi by 3, 90 pi by 2, 180 pi, 270 3 pi by 2, 360 degree 2 pi radians. Next we come across a very important concept called length of arc formula. That is, to find the length of this arc, whenever you have a circle, the radius is same. We are going to find the length of arc for a given angle, whether the angle is given in terms of degree or radian. From now on, if the angle is given in terms of degree, first convert them into radian measure. Now, therefore, the length of arc formula is given by L is equal to R theta. How? If R is the radius of circle and the length of arc is L, then angle subtended, that is theta, is always given by the ratio of L by R, that is length by R. Therefore, the length can be calculated as L into R theta, where theta is a measurement of angle in terms of radians. We have a question here. Find the radius of the circle in which the central angle is 60 degree and arc length is 37.4 centimeter. What is the formula related to the length of arc, radius and angle? That is L is equal to R theta. What is given in the question? L is given, that is 37.4 centimeter. Next, they have given angle theta in terms of 60 degree. I said whenever you have an angle in terms of degree, convert it into radian. So for 60 degree, you can directly write the value as pi by 3. So therefore, this is nothing but pi by 3 radians. Now we have L as 37.4. R I have to find. Theta is pi by 3. So R is equal to 37.4 into 3 divided by pi. You will get, if you write the value of pi as 22 by 7, you will get this as 22 into 7 in the numerator. So therefore, R is equal to 35.7 centimeter. So solve the values here. You will get the radius of the circle as 35.7 centimeter. Next question. A wheel make 360 revolution in 1 minute. How many radians does it turn in 1 second? First see here, we have 360 revolution in 1 minute. So 1 minute, it is taking 360 revolutions. Now I have to find how many revolution it can make in 1 second. So for 1 second, it is 360 divided by 60. Why 60? Because 1 second is 1/60th of a minute. So therefore, 360 revolution in 1 minute means 360 by 60 revolution in 1 second. That is 6 revolutions. So therefore, number of revolutions in 1 second is equal to 6. And we know that one complete revolution is nothing but 2 pi radians. That is, your angle is 360 degree. That is nothing but 2 pi radians. Now in 1 second, it makes a complete revolution of 6. Therefore, angle made by wheel in 1 second is equal to 6 into 2 pi. Why 6 into 2 pi? For 1 revolution, 2 pi. So therefore 6 revolution, 6 into 2 pi. That is equal to 12 pi radians. Next we have, if in 2 circles, arcs of the same length, subtend angles 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. So we have 2 circles and whose arc length is same. So the distance length from here to here, it is same. But their radius is different. Let me take this as R1 and let me take this as R2. So one is making an angle of 60 degree. Another one is making an angle of 75 degree. So first, let us convert the given angle in terms of radius. They have given, if L is equal to R1 theta 1 for this circle, L is equal to R2 theta 2 for this circle. That is the arc length formula. They have given L is same. So we can equate them. That is R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. They have asked you to find the ratio of their radii. So therefore, R1 by R2 is equal to theta 2 by theta 1. What is theta 1 here? Theta 1 is here 60 degree. So it is pi by 3 radians. Pi by 3 radians. And theta 2, you have 75 degree. If you doesn't know the value in terms of radians, multiply pi by 180. Cancel it. So you will get it as 15 5s are, 15 12s are. So theta 2 is equal to 5 pi by 12 radians. Let me substitute the value of theta 1 and theta 2. So theta 2 is 5 pi by 12 over pi by 3. We can cancel pi, 3 1s are, 3 4s are. So R1 by R2 is equal to 5 by 4. So therefore, the ratio of R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. Next we have, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. So we have a circle whose diameter is 40 centimeter. Then what about the radius? So the radius will be 20 centimeter. Next, we have a chord of 20 centimeter. So let me write the chord somewhere here. So which is 20 centimeter. Then I have to find the length of the minor arc of the chord. That is this one, L. Let me take it as an L. Let me take 2 radius from the center. We know that the angle subtended here is nothing but in terms of radians. So let us see theta. Now we know that if the diameter, the circle diameter is completely 40 centimeter, your radius is 20 centimeter. So therefore here also 20, here also 20. When you have same sides of a triangle, in all the 3 sides, the angles inside the triangle is same. That is what? They are all 60 degrees. So therefore here the value of theta is 60 degrees since they are equilateral triangle. So they form an equiangular triangle. So 60 degree is pi by 3 radians. Now they have given to find the length of an arc. What is the formula to find length of an arc? R theta. L is equal to, your R is 20 centimeter, theta is pi by 3. So L is equal to 20 into 22 by 7 into 3. So L is equal to 20.95 centimeter. So the condition is given here. Your diameter is 40 centimeter. Therefore, your radius is 20. And we have a chord of 20 centimeter. Let us draw 2 radius connecting the chord. So we will form a sector. A sector with 2 radius can form an angle of a radian theta. So therefore, theta is 60 degrees since all sides of a triangle are equal. Now for L, we have a formula. L is equal to r theta. Substituting the value, we will get the length of an arc as 20.95 centimeter. Yes, in today's session, we have learned how to measure an angle in terms of degree as well as radian. So in your examination, you will get 1 and 2 marks question from part 1 and part 2 problems, that is converting a radian into degree or degree into radian may get for 1 marks, and arc length formula, that is L is equal to r theta, like problems carries 2 marks question in your examination. In our next session, let us start studying about the trigonometric ratios. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.